Are you a handy person looking for a project or a phenomenal opportunity? I'm here at one of my brand new listings. It's basically a 3-minute drive from the corner of Highway 21 and Baseline Road. It's quick and easy to get to, very affordable, does need some updates, but it's 3 acres of land really close to town, and just wait till you see the price. Click on the link for all the info, and here's a couple of the features. But it's 2,000 square feet. It also has a basement suite. It's an in-law suite, so there is a full kitchen, 3 bedrooms downstairs, 3 bedrooms upstairs, but the suite is a total walkout as well. So every bedroom has large windows. There's a triple car attached garage. It's really something that you're going to want to take a look at if you are a handy person or would like to take on a project for the winter. So yeah, let's take a quick tour. Then afterwards, just click the link for all the details. My name is Jason Beattie. I'm your realtor with eXp Realty, because your move matters. So as I mentioned, the home does need some updating. We can see the kitchen is older, the flooring is older, but it's all about the space. It's a 2,000 square foot bungalow, so there's no shortage of space. We also have a 3-season sunroom just off the main living area with a monster deck that's built out of our triple car garage. Check out the green space. You got 3 acres of privately treed yard. But once again, every room is a good size, very considerable space. 3 bedrooms up, 3 bedrooms down. It currently has a in-law suite. So there's a full kitchen downstairs as well, with another bathroom. But great space. You got to come take a look. So just click the link below for the information, and then let me know. Come out and take a peek. It's one of those opportunities that won't be around very long, because it's tough to find 3 acres of land within 3 Sherwood Park. My name is Jason Beattie. I'm your realtor with eXp Realty, because your move matters.